Now it's on. Yes. You can put it in the water then?
You put it in water.
Where's my remote control?
You put it in water.
Go on, let me put it in the water then. Right, good then. You put yours in the water, Ellie?
That's my one.
There you go.
Okay.
Ellie?
Dad, how do you do it?
Yeah. It's not working. Hold on a minute. Wait a minute, Ellie. Ellie, give me that. It's alright.
It doesn't work. Oh, it does.
There you
How
go.
did you do it?
I don't know, it's just a loose button.